Oh, hello there. We have a couple options here. If we want to know if it's a 0, that means a solution. So one thing I could do is use synthetic division, or my other option, 2 isn't terrible. I can just plug it in. So I have 8 here times 3. I get 4 here. And I have minus 8 plus 12. What do you know? 24 minus 28, negative 4, minus 8 plus 12, minus 8 plus 12, and negative 12 plus 12. I get 0, so that checks out. If I just want to make sure, I could use synthetic division as well. State whether or not negative 3 is a 0. Alright, so how am I going to use it the other way? Remember, negative 3, since I'm being told it is a 0 or a solution, or possibly, I could use synthetic. Remember, this is 1, 0, negative 8, negative 1, 12. Totally up to you, whatever you think is easier. If I have to find solutions, I definitely want to use synthetic division because that will get me to the smaller polynomial function. Okay, so I get a remainder of 24 here, so this is no good unless I messed up the signs. Let me just double check. 1, negative 3, add them up. They give me 9, I get 1, I get negative 3, negative 4. Oh, nope, so that one is not. So nope, no thank you. Alright, so they're telling me that negative 1 is the solution. X is negative 1. What are the remaining zeros? So this is where I definitely want to use synthetic division because I want to get this x to the third power down to x to the second power. Alright, so we have 1 comes down, I get negative 1, I get 0. Ooh, that's unique. I get 0, I get negative 16, I get 16, I get 0. That's what we wanted. X to the third, so this would be x squared plus 0x minus 16. Even better here, guys. X squared minus 16 equals 0. I think we know what to do with that. X plus 4, x minus 4. So x is positive and negative 4 for my other solutions. Negative 1 was the third one. So we did find the remaining zeros of the function. Remember correctly, we got one more here. And we'll be all done with this. Again, x is 4. So I'm going to use synthetic division. 1, 4, negative 17, negative 60. And if they're telling me that 4 is a solution, then I have to get 0 as my remainder. So I'm going to make sure this happens on the end. 1, 4, 8, 32, 15, 60. There we go. So this is now x squared, 1 less, plus 8x plus 15 with the factors of 15 that add up to 8. 3 and 5 are correct. Signs are the same. So x equals negative 3, negative 5, and of course we had 4 from the beginning. Alright, so I tried to break this up in 3 different sections. If not, we'll address your questions in class.